G'day everyone. So today we're with our buddy BJ from TBL, and we're going to give you a quick demo of the Advanced Chute System. Now, how deep are we in leaves, buddy?
Oh, there's a couple of inches there.
Yep. So what we're going to do is, he's not bagging these up because he really doesn't have to. So what we're going to do is we're going to mulch them up, and then once they're mulched up pretty fine, he might do a side throw back into this garden, because it should just be dust. Okay, stay tuned. So here he goes. What he's going to do is he's actually going to float over it on a slightly higher level, because sometimes the leaves build up under the deck, and then he'll go over it on a lower level. See those leaves building up? Okay, so now it's very dry here, but essentially this area is clean now. So what he's done is essentially you just decrease the amount that you would have been side throwing with the Advanced Chute.
To the dump.
Yeah, and while we're here, let's take a minute to plug this country clipper machine, because we're both country clipper lovers. The joystick steering, is this a gimmick or is this the real deal, mate?
It is it's so good. I love it.
It's better than any lap bar.
Yeah, 100%. And I'm not a big fan of the standards. I know a lot of people love them, but I'm more of a sit down kind of guy. I got a lot of pretty smooth, even places I get to mow, and
yep.
This is my kind of machine. It's perfect. It's not even. I think it's got about 230 hours on it, and
yep,
never had an issue.
And flipping up the deck, and we're not going to do it now, but
yeah, the 30-second deck flip, that's a big bonus.
Getting the gurney under there and cleaning under the deck and sharpening your blades is really simple.
Yep. And teaming it up with the Advanced Chute and the Catch Pro as well, it's just such a good all-rounder. It's got the 18 horsepower Kawasaki
Yep.
pumps. Yeah, like I said, it's just never given me any issues. It's such a good machine.
And
Always gives a super cute cut too.
so I mean, these machines are they're excellent machines, but they're just not as popular as some of the other, you know, bigger brands out there.
No, which I find really strange with the joystick controls. I get just as much control with that as I do with a lap bar or something like that.
Yeah, I mean, my thought process is that you actually spin the wheels less when you're doing your actual zero turns, because you don't have the hydros fighting each other with your hands, you know.
Yeah.
You know, basically operator error. I mean, you just got a point and go system.
And it's good you've got one hand free if you're doing things like this. You know, we've got a lot of higher trees, but if you're going underneath trees, you can use one hand to push the branches out of the way. You don't get whipped in the face. You can hold a beer.
Yeah. Yeah, drinking on the job, you know. Yeah, I mean, look, before I had my stand on, it was great having that one hand free. You know, send a text, move trees out the way. So it's good. All right, well, thanks, BJ. Thanks for the